Governor Dapo Abiodun is not just leading Ogun State, he is steering it with the precision of a seasoned captain. From chief security officer to chief strategist and even the state's top salesman, Governor Abiodun is the kind of leader who doesn't just talk the talk, he walks it brick by brick. But if there's one hat that fits him more, it's the one of a project manager-in-chief. He's not just initiating projects, he is in the trenches with his team, planning, executing, and fine-tuning every deal to meet the real needs of the real people. And 6 years down the line, Ogun State has become a construction site of progress with visible footprints of transformation. From slick roads to upgraded healthcare centers, renovated schools, the groundbreaking agro-cargo airport, and now the urban regeneration project. Now let's talk about the city-changing, life-upgrading initiative that is not just the biggest of its kind in Nigeria, but a template for smart, sustainable urban growth in Nigeria. Remember those government-reserved areas built during Nigeria's Second Republic? They were beautiful in their time, but time hasn't been kind. Now, Governor Abiodun is breathing new life into them, turning faded dreams into modern realities.
In line with our determination to ensure that we carry out urban renewal and regeneration of places like this, choice places like this, we sat down as a team and we decided that we must try and harvest as many of them as possible and begin the urban renewal of those places.
The Ibara GRA, for instance, is no longer a shadow of its old self. With the completion of Cluster 1 and Cluster 2 of the first phase, the area now boasts beautifully designed semi- and fully detached duplexes, a stylish peek into what the governor has in store for other locations.
It's about 3 hectares, probably about maybe 30 to 35 houses in the first phase. You can see that the design is very pleasing to the eye. The completion is also commendable. And what we've done here is exemplary.
And Governor Abiodun is not doing this behind closed doors. He is inviting allottees, estate developers and key players to see for themselves, give feedback and be part of the entire process.
Well, I feel great. Supposing I'm not a party to this or I was not able to get one, I won't, it won't be nice at all. But with what Ibara is today, I think I'm very happy to be a part of this progress. I'm a subscriber to this. I'm very happy. There's no other word I can use that this present government has turned Ibara into a modern city, what Ibara should look like. So I'm very happy for this.
With commissioners like Jamiu Omoniyi and his physical planning counterpart leading the charge, the Governor Dapo Abiodun's vision is that Ogun State will not play second fiddle to any city, not in Nigeria, not in Africa.
The idea is we want people to live, work, and play in Ogun State. You can sit within the comfort of your home and do your business everywhere. And it means that there's nothing you want in Banana Island, anywhere, that you can't get in Ibara GRA. That is the word of Mr. Abiodun. Thank you.
This regeneration project is not about breaking down and starting over. It's about reviving the soul of the capital city, Abeokuta, modernizing it without erasing history and giving people places they're proud to call home. low-income earners looking for comfort without compromise, to business moguls escaping the Lagos chaos for Abeokuta's peace and quiet, Governor Abiodun is building a city for all.